Welcome back to another episode of Vienna's Vlogs. Right now, Andrew and I are headed to the V-Files and Depop runway show for New York Fashion Week. We're just chilling in the bathroom while Rico Nasty does her sound check.
Go what?
What's going on?
You're Okay guys, it's a new day. I just got a flaming hot Cheeto makeover. I also got my nails done. This is so freaking funny. Oh, I ran.
Come on! Verify that it is the same plot.
Looks good. She said looks good. Shout out to Alexa.
Are you making a vlog now?
Yeah. Watch Ali's vlog too. This vlog's a mess. I had my vlog from yesterday. This is gonna hurt.
If you weren't nervous, that would be great.
It's just like, no. Right before I was like about to get it, I was like,
I'm just being dramatic for the vlog. Oh, that did not hurt at all.
oh my god, are you kidding me?
She didn't even react.
Literally, no reaction. Take this out of the vlog.
Can you give us a tour of what we're doing?
Hey crab. Here I'll show you my sweet dig on Refinery 29. Here, these are the lovely snacks that have been set up.
Okay, I already got my ear pierced, as you guys saw. You can get your makeup done here. It's been raining, so we kind of look like a mess. I removed the flaming hot Cheeto maybe, if you were curious.
Okay.
Okay guys, it's currently 3 a.m. We just had Taco Bell. We went to an event. I don't know if I vlogged, but yeah, no, that's it. I had fun. The end. Oh, this dress is from ASOS. Shout out to ASOS. Insert pictures here of my full fit. Now we're going back into school as we're vlogging, and I'm gonna stop now. Okay, bye. It's Saturday. We are on our way to the Susan Alexandra presentation. I got my Shop Spicy Girl necklace. Shout out to Caroline for sending it to me. We're both thrift queens today. We were here last night and now we're back, so we basically could have just slept here. We got our popcorn. We're at about this for right now. Don't know my secret. Why is it empty? Right now I'm going to Sephora to pick up some makeup because I'm going to the Teen Vogue event tonight. And I have a really cute outfit that I thrifted, of course. But I need some cute makeup to go with that. So that is the mission for today, that I have class. Because I'm a student too, don't forget. Okay, let's go.
That's it. Hey.
But here's Eve dancing at Van Leeuwen. We're getting our vegan ice cream with Larson. We're gonna meet Miley Cyrus tonight. And that is it for now.